In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom Notion apps. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, creating custom apps can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflows. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, head over to your connected Notion workspace, where you manage your wikis, documents, and projects. This is your starting point, and getting familiar with your workspace will make everything else a breeze. Once you're comfortably settled, the next thing you need to do is log into your Notion account. If you happen to be logged out, just click on Log In on the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your credentials and take you directly to your home base within Notion. Now that you're on the Notion home, you'll want to navigate towards your settings. It can be straightforward to overlook, but the settings are pivotal for adding custom touches and making sure everything runs smoothly. Locate the Settings option. This is where the magic begins. Once in Settings, look for the Connections area. This is your gateway to integrating with other apps and building your custom features. It might sound technical, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Clicking on Connections opens a world where you can link different apps and streamline various processes. Next, you'll want to select Develop or Manage Integrations. This is a crucial step, as integrations are essentially how Notion communicates and works with other applications or services you might be using. Make sure to explore this section as it provides a lot of opportunities for customization and enhancements. After that, click on Integrations. This page serves as your central hub for everything related to integrating other tools with Notion. Each integration can open up new possibilities, so feel free to browse and familiarize yourself with the available options and tools. The final step in building your custom Notion app is selecting New Integration. Clicking on this will allow you to start establishing a new connection or feature, essentially creating a new way to interact with and expand your Notion workspace. Here, you can name your integration, set necessary permissions, and decide how you want it to function within the larger system. And that's it. You've learned how to build custom Notion apps by integrating and managing different tools within your workspace. Once you're done, take a step back and appreciate how these customized apps can save you time and enhance productivity. Try experimenting with different integration combinations to see what works best for your workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore, the more efficient you'll become with Notion. Happy building!